Web of Science looks like many of the databases you might have used at university. There are a few search boxes where you can search by author, keyword, or year, etc. However, what makes Web of Science unique is its ability to perform cited reference searches, which are searches that determine if a certain article has been cited by others since it was published. Click on the tab that says Cited Reference Search. This is the Cited Reference Search interface. I will now demonstrate a cited reference search. If you'd like to follow along, open up the other window. I have an article here, and I'd like to know who cited this article. The article is called A Principle of Uncertainty for Information Seeking by Kuhlthau. First, put in the author's name. Put in the last name first, in this case, Kuhlthau. You can also put in the author's first initial, so in this case I'll put in C for Carol, followed by the asterisk symbol, which is used to truncate. Next, enter the name of the journal the article was published in. This is usually found near the end of the citation. For this example, the journal is the Journal of Documentation. Remember that Web of Science uses abbreviated journal names, so you need to type in the abbreviated name of the journal. In this case, it's JDoc. You can find journal abbreviations by clicking on the link to the journal abbreviation list. Finally, we need to enter the year that the article was published, and then click Search. This is a page of citations as they appear in the reference list or bibliographies of other authors' papers. Have you ever made a mistake in a bibliography or a reference list you've made for an assignment? Maybe you've cited the wrong pages or spelt the author's name wrong. Well, lots of professional researchers make mistakes in their reference lists too. For example, we can see in this list that there are several authors who have cited the wrong page number. This author has cited the article as beginning on page 39 instead of 339, which was probably just a typo. This author has cited it as starting on page 340. But all of these authors are actually citing the same article. We need to make sure that we select all of the citations in the list that we think match our article, even if they look slightly mistaken. And finally, click Finish Search. This is a list of articles that have used the article by Kuhlthau as a reference. Lots of them are on a similar topic, which is great, as now we found lots more up-to-date articles without having to do any keyword searching. You can access any article by clicking the green Get It button, which will direct you to the full text of the article.